On my way walking up to see the bees. The sheep are busy eating their crops. There's me bees, right over there. Right, it's John the Bee Man Saunders again. Just going to show you my woodpecker cages I've built. If you have a look, the cage is around the beehive, so you can easily pick the cage up like this and just swivel it over. Makes it easy when you're inspecting the hive for weight of honey, and if you need to add any feed to the hive, you can easily open the hive up then and get into it. Whereas if you wrap it with plastic and then cover it in mesh, it's a bit difficult to get into the hive. But this is really easy to lift off. All it is 1 by 1.5 inch wood made into a square, and then squares down that way, all bolted together, and it's covered in mesh. Got like wire mesh here, and then I've got a wind protector brace that you can buy from B&Q and places like that, and just strap that around there, and I've got a gap here at the bottom so that it goes over the entrance of the hive, so the bees can still go in and out, and you can easily lift this on and off the hive. It's much easier than messing about with that plastic, wrapping it all round. Also, when we're checking for weight, if we're checking the hive, making sure they've got enough feed, you can easily get at it and lift like that. This is, I reckon they've used about half of their stores, and it's coming up to the 14th of January. So that's great. Inside here I've got loads of insulation, so that, and we've got the mouse guards on. This hive up this end, for the first time this year, I didn't put a mouse guard on it. It was a bit of a mistake, but we'll see what happens. I've never left the mouse guard off before. I wonder if the mice have got into it. I do strap the woodpecker cage down with these straps, obviously because they're quite light, so you do need to do that. But I think it's a great idea. It's a simple idea. I mean, you've got them forever. You haven't, you know, they don't get damaged. I've had these for quite a few years now. You just lift them up like that and just put it on there. As simple as that, and they just, each year I just put them away. See, the bees can still go in and out. The woodpeckers can't get in at them, and there's a wind brace. See, it stops all the wind and the cold hitting hive, so it helps to keep them warm. It's really quite a good idea, I think. It's good at apiary. This has got a concrete floor and a wall going round it, and the wall helps protect the wind from coming up under the hive, because I've got mesh floor hives, so it stops the draft blasting up under there, and they can get out all the trees and everything and the things around here. Yeah, we just moved the fence a bit for them, electric fence, so they got some fresh grass. We had to strip graze it. What a massive field this is. Right over there is the apiary. We come down this end to move the electric fence in this, give them loads of fresh grass. Lynn and the two dogs. Here's Roxy the dog, and there's the bees over there in the apiary. And there's Max. Max the pony. And there's Lynn, my wife, feeding the pony. And Yancia. Yancia is the Friesian we got. Come from Holland. It's a purebred Friesian. What a lovely friendly horse it is. What a nice day. Up with the bees and the horses. Yeah, Yancia. Yancia's a good girl, isn't you, Yancia? Look at this lovely horse, friendly as anything, ain't you? Hey? You're a lovely horsey, ain't you? Look at that. You're lovely, ain't you, hey? You're a lovely girl, ain't you? Yeah. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl, yeah. She's a good girl. Nice friendly horse, eh, Lynn?
Yeah, liking a bit of sunshine today, they are.
Yeah, nice sunshine.
We all like a bit of sunshine. The bees like the sunshine too.
Yeah, the bees are starting to come out a bit now. Lovely. Horses, we've got them fenced off at the moment. Electric fencing because the field's too big. They go right over there. What a nice day. All these trees here, and loads of food for the bees, foraging. The bees are just there. And right over there in the fields, behind the bees, there's loads of rape fields. So they'll be busy this year. That's it from John the Bee Man. See you all again.